How to change page width in Shopify Dawn theme. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can change or tweak the layout of the page width into your Shopify store. So you're going to make it adaptive for the larger or the wider screen, So the process is going to be very easy. You're going to head over the admin dashboard of your Shopify store. As you can see, we are on the admin dashboard. Then we are going to visit the online store and your CS channels. And then we're going to head over the theme or the themes. So we are going to click on customize the theme and it will open up the Shopify website or store editor. From here, we are going to see everything. So the width of the page or the website is going to be measured from this point in here to that last point in here. So the width is going to be standard for all the Shopify stores. And how we can change this, we are going basically here to head over the left side of the screen. We have the theme settings and we have the app embeds. We're going to select that or the gear icon, as you can see here, theme settings. We're going to head over the layout. So this is going to be entering on the layout properties. I'm going to click on layout. And as you can see, the first thing that will appear here is the page width. We have a width of 1200 pixels. So this from this point to this point that I have mentioned before is going to be 1200. If we're going to change it, even if it is going to be higher width or a lower width, you can go ahead and tweak that or put it in here. For example, we are going to increase it to 100 and 400 or 1000 to 1400. Then you're going to click on save and you're going to see your website. So I'm going to see here the page. So I'm going to see here the page by heading over the exit and we're going to open up the store. And in the meanwhile, I'm going to open up the editor again and we're going to see. So here, as you can see, this page is going to be having a larger scale or a wider scale. So if I go ahead here and head over the layout, we're going to put it back to 120. I'm going to click on save here and then we're going to do a comparison. I'm going to open up another page. As you can see, you're going to maybe see the difference, but here you're going to see it only on the header. In here, we're going to see the header just like that. The before header was wider. So basically, that was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.